What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off screen time on your iPhone. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. To turn off screen time on your iPhone, open the Settings app and scroll down until you can find your screen time settings. Scroll down again and tap on Turn off screen time. You may be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to make changes to these settings. Enter your password if necessary. If you're using a child device, the parent device needs to disable screen time for the child. Alternatively, you can leave screen time enabled and disable the Share across devices option. This will prevent your screen time data from being reported to other iCloud devices, such as a parent device. With this option disabled, your screen time data will remain private to your device. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.